Creating a sales pipeline in HubSpot helps you manage and track your sales process from start to finish. Follow these steps to set up a sales pipeline. Log into HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account. If you don't have one, you will need to sign up. Access sales settings. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture, then go to account settings. Navigate to objects, deals. Create a new pipeline. In the pipeline section, click on create pipeline. Choose a name for your pipeline, such as sales or lead generation. Define deal stages. Set up the stages in your pipeline, such as lead, qualified lead, proposal sent, negotiation, closed won or closed lost. You can edit or delete stages later based on your business needs. Customize stage properties. For each stage, you can customize properties like deal value, expected close date, or deal owner. Add deals. Once your pipeline is created, start adding deals to track the progress of each lead through the pipeline. Monitor and update. Use the dashboard to monitor your pipeline's progress and update each deal as it moves through the stages.